29 July 2024. Today's topic is full stack development. What is a full stack development? Full stack development refers the development of both front end and back end portion and a portion of web application. Full stack web developer. Full stack web developer have the ability to ability to design complete web application, websites, and the work the front end and back end database and dubbing the application or website. Front end, there are two types of full stack development. First is the front end development and second is the back end development. First is the front end development. It is a visible part of website or web application which is responsible for the user it is which is responsible for user experience, and the user directly interact with the front end portion of the application or websites. Front end portion is built by using some languages which are discussed below. First is the HTML, second is the CSS, and third is the JavaScript. Let's see. First is the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to design front end portion of web page using markup language. HTML is a combination of hypertext and markup. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. The web documentation which the tag which defines the structure of web pages. Second is the CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Only refers intended of simply the processor of the making web application, web pages presentable. CSS allow you to apply a style to web pages. More importantly, CSS enable you to this independent of the HTML that makes of each web pages. Third is the JavaScript. JavaScript is the famous scripting language which is used to magic of the sites to make the site interactive for the users. It is used to enhancing the functionality of websites or to the running cool games and web-based software. Next is the front end libraries and framework. There are so many front end libraries. AngularJS. AngularJS is the JavaScript open source front end language. Front end framework that is mainly used to develop single page web application. It is continuously growing and expanding the framework that provide better way for the developing web application. It changes the static HTML to dynamic HTML. It can be freely used to changes by anyone. The extend HTML attributes with the directives. Next is the React.js. React.js is the declaration, efficient and flexible JavaScript library for building the component based front end library responsible for only for the view layer for the application. It is maintained by Facebook. Next, jQuery. jQuery is an open source JavaScript library. Next is the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a free and open source tool collection for creating a responsive website and web application. Second is next is SAS. It is a more reliable and mature and robust CSS extension language. It is used to extend the functionality and existing for a site, including everything from variables, inheritance, and nesting with ease. Second is a backend. There is a